how to see the food booked history on the official IRCTC website. So hey guys, welcome to this simple and easy tutorial, and in this tutorial I will be showing you how you can check out all the history of the food items that you have booked or all the meals that you have booked previously with the IRCTC website. So let me show you how to do this. So the first thing that you will need to do is simply log into the official IRCTC website, that is irctc.co.in. And once you have successfully logged into the IRCTC website, you will be greeted with an interface like this. Now in this, the next thing that you will need to do is simply hover your cursor over to this my account section, and then hover your cursor over to the my transactions. Now once you will do this, you can see the third option that says booked food history or pantry. So simply click onto this food history or pantry option, and it will get you all the details or all the history of the food or the meals that you have booked previously on the IRCTC while booking a ticket. So currently it is showing no record found, as I have never booked a food meal with the IRCTC before, but you can sort it according to all journeys or for the upcoming journeys or the past journeys as well. So that's how easily you can do that. So that was all for this simple and easy tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.